around here.
How could he just disappear?
I don't know.
Do you think it might be Dunedin?
Maybe. Hey! Chris, look at this. It looks like a plan or a diagram.
What do you think it's a diagram of?
It's torn here. All that's left is P-T-E-R and A-N-A-D-A. If we knew the complete words, they would probably tell us where this is.
Or what? Looks a bit like a castle.
Or an army barracks of some kind.
That boy must have been looking at it. What do you think we should do?
Let's have a look around.
Okay, but first I'm going to send a picture of this diagram back to Lynn. Maybe she can find out what or where it is. T.W. to Coach House.
Identify? You want me to find out what that is? But parts of it are missing. Research? I have to find out what it is, where it is, and something about it? Oh boy, they don't want much. Must have something to do with soldiers. See? Officers' quarters? Guardhouse? I wonder what a blockhouse is.
The encyclopedia contains information of this sort.
Blockhouse. Here it is. Blockhouse. Small fortification, usually temporary, serving as a post for a small garrison. The typical blockhouse was of 2 stories with an overhanging second story and loopholes on all sides for gunfire. Later the term was broadened to include all detached and isolated small forts. A fort! That's what it is! A map of a fort! Hey, this is easy. Now I'll just look up forts and find out which one. Uh-oh. There are hundreds of them. How will I figure out which one it is? I'm only exaggerating a little, Otto. See, they start on this page with Fort Abercrombie in North Dakota and go all the way over to here, Fort York in Upper Canada. Upper Canada? I guess that's what they used to call Canada in the old days. Wait a minute. Show me that diagram again, Seta. Look, if we put a U here, it makes upper, and a C makes this Canada. Upper Canada. That must be where this fort is. Thank you, Otto. Now we'll scan this list of forts and narrow it down to the ones in Canada. Fort Albany, Fort Beausejour, Fort Chimo, Fort Chipewyan, and Fort York. I agree. I didn't know there were so many. I'll take this list to the library. Maybe they'll have some history books about forts in Canada.
Are you going to inform the others of the results of your initial investigation?
Good idea, Sarah. Are you ready?
Transmitting.
Coach House to GW. Initial investigation.
Proves diagram is a fort in Upper Canada. Checking library for further information.
Chris, come here, quick!
Coming.
Look.
Oh, it must have been here for years.
It's full of old junk. Here's an old horseshoe. And, whatever this is.
I think it's a cannonball.
A cannonball?
Do you think it's from that fort?
What fort?
The one in the diagram. Lynn says it's the plan of a fort. Wow. A brass tomahawk.
What do you think this is?
I don't know. Jewel box?
Too small. But maybe it's an antique. It looks very old.
Could be worth something.
PW Coach House. These things are artifacts. TW to Coach House. I found many artifacts.
Look what I found in the grass. A box with an inscription on it.
Well, what does it say?
To Tecumseh from Brock, August 1812.
1812. That's over 170 years ago. I bet this stuff really is valuable.
I wonder who Tecumseh and Brock were. Look, it's a compass. This needle always points to the north, so if we line this needle up with the feather, now we know that this way must be north, and this way is south, and that's east, and that's west.
What are those other markings?
Listen, there's a sound again.
Look at the cannonball. Chris, what's happening?
The compass needle's spinning. It's getting hot. Where are we?
It looks like a fort.
Do you think it's the fort in the diagram?
I don't know. How did you get here?
Oh! Take your business!
Run!
Maybe we shouldn't have run away from him. We could have tried explaining who we are.
Wait a minute. Suppose he wouldn't listen. He didn't look very friendly.
I've never seen soldiers dressed like him before, except in pictures. This is really strange.
Let's find the person in charge. The diagram. If it's the plan of this fort, then we want to go right here. The officers' quarters.
I'd still like to know where we are.
We do know. Right here.
That's not what I mean. You don't know the name of this fort, or even where it is. Fort George! I found it, Otto! The name of the fort is Fort George, and it's near Niagara Falls. Almost. Let's see that diagram again. I knew it. See, they're identical.
I have a message to relay from Chris and Sam.
Oh, good. Go ahead. talking about? What's an artifact? Why not? Clue? What clue? What are you talking about? This isn't a puzzle. Oh, I think I know. Object of human art or workmanship, and 8 letters starting with an A. Artifact. Now I know why you couldn't tell me, Otto. There, another word filled in. Thanks, Otto. I wonder what artifacts they found. Let's ask them, Zeta.
I am unable to transmit. Contact has been lost.
Oh, no. But they have to be somewhere.
Everything's so old-fashioned. It doesn't look old.
Do you think we've gone back in time?
I don't know. Look at this. It's a proclamation, and it's dated 1812. Maybe you're right.
1812. That's the date that was on the compass.
It's from Brigadier General Hull from the United States of America. Inhabitants of Canada. Listen. The army under my command has invaded your country, and the standard of the United States waves on the territory of Canada.
Sam, we're in the middle of a war.